Alright, continuing with our facial features here, we're going to come over here and we're just going to cut a little bit because that's going to be where that will be where the cheeks sort of come up. In such a way. Just like that. Okay, now let me bring this down a little bit more in here. Okay, so what I want to do, get this off right in here. What I want to do is come across here like this. Let me show you. I want to come across here like this and then come up here like this. Come across here like this and come up here like this with my pencil, okay? Alright? And then I want to come down and I want to come up and join with this, okay? Come up and join like that. I think you have a general idea of what I'm doing here. And then I want to take my knife and I want to cut down this way. Come up, cut this way. Okay. Now, we remove the wood up underneath here. But when we get to here, we want to cut from the inside, not from the outside, but from the inside, and remove that right there. And we want to remove from the inside up here. See, this is the lower mustache that we're doing right here. Okay. Now we're going to take we're going to bring this beard now. Whoop. That broke in there just a little bit, so let me just bring it just a little bit more. That's a vital area in there. Have to be real careful. Room over here. Same thing here. Bring that down just a little. Okay, now what you have here, of course, is, just a minute, I'm going to come a little bit further back with this right in here. And a little bit further back with this right in here. Give it a little bit more face. Now, you come up here, you find the middle, you draw a little line on each side, and you cut up. Cut on this side, cut on that side. What we're doing, of course, is separating the little mustache in the middle here. There we go, see that? There we go. I mean, you kind of bring these back, bring these cheeks back here, and it forms the top of your little beard there. See that? Now, let's bring this all down just a little bit in here. And let's go ahead, shape this nose a little bit. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take and I'm going to sort of make my little eyes in here. Let me bring this down just a little bit more. There we go. Just like that. See from the side? And let's just bring our eyes up. Kind of come down. Bring our eyes up. Like that. Come down. Now you can do this with a V-tool or you can do it with a knife. Should have done it with my V-tool. I got it. Sometimes in them little areas like that, it's hard. You got to really watch the pressure that you use. Just like that. Let me come down a little bit more here. I'm trying to, sometimes it's a little bit hard when you're sitting there trying to do this with the camera because you want to get your right angle. You want to get your angle right. And I'm going to bring this over just a little bit more here. There we go. And a little bit more here. Where it comes to be. And I'm going to put my little eyes in there. And this. Okay, my time is about up again, but if you kind of look at this, and when I start putting the hair on and everything, like it'll look. It's kind of hard to see at first what goes on. We're getting there.